You've heard of the pyramids of Egypt, but what if I told you there are even older pyramids at the bottom of the ocean? Massive stone structures, thousands of years before history even began. Roads, temples, cities, now drowned in silence. Discovered off the coast of Japan, deep in the waters of Cuba, even beneath the ice of Antarctica. Mainstream science says it's impossible, but the evidence is too real to ignore. Were we the first civilization, or just the last to survive? Stay with us. What you're about to see could change everything you thought you knew about human history. Off the coast of Yonaguni, Japan, a massive underwater structure shocked the world. Huge stone platforms, sharp right angles, and steps resembling a ziggurat or pyramid. Geologist Masaki Kimura spent decades studying it, arguing it was man-made, carved by a civilization that may have existed over 10,000 years ago. If he's right, this would rewrite human history. But skeptics say it's just a natural formation. Yet, when you look closer, you see pillars, tool marks, and even what looks like a road. Who built this, and how did it sink? Off the coast of Cuba, in 2001, a deep-sea sonar team discovered something astonishing. Symmetrical stone structures, laid out in a grid-like pattern, nearly 2,000 feet below the surface. Marine engineer Paulina Zalitsky described it as a city-like layout. Massive blocks, pyramids, roads. But this area has been underwater for at least 10,000 years. If true, this means a complex civilization existed at a time when history says humans were still hunter-gatherers. Why isn't this all over the news? Is someone hiding something? Far from the tropics, in the frozen deserts of Antarctica, satellite images revealed something strange. Pyramid-shaped mountains, almost too perfectly symmetrical to be natural. Some researchers believe these could be ancient structures buried beneath ice for tens of thousands of years. Could Antarctica have once been warm and home to a lost civilization? Recent studies show parts of it may have been ice-free around 12,000 years ago, the same timeline as other underwater ruins. Coincidence or connection? Stories of great floods appear in nearly every culture. Noah in the Bible, Manu in Hindu texts, Ziusudra in Sumerian records. What if these weren't just stories? What if they were ancient memories of real catastrophic floods that erased entire civilizations? When the last ice age ended, sea levels rose over 400 feet. Millions of square miles of land were swallowed by water. Could this be the time the underwater pyramids vanished?